Let's learn some alphabets and words. This is A alphabet. Big letter A, small letter A. A for ant. A-N-T, ant. A for ant. A for apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. A for ant. A for apple. B. Big letter B, small letter B. B for bear. B-E-A-R, bear. B for book. B-O-O-K, book. B for bear. B-E-A-R, bear. B for book. B-O-O-K, book. B for book. B for bear. C. This is capital letter C, small letter C. And C for cat. C-A-T, cat. This is cat. C-A-T, cat. This is cat. C for carpet. C-A-R-P-E-T, carpet. This is carpet. C-A-R-P-E-T, carpet. C for cat. C for carpet. This is letter C. This is D. D alphabet. Capital letter D, small letter D. And D for dog. D-O-G, dog. D for dog. D-O-G, dog. This is dog. D for door. D-O-O-R, door. This is door. D for dog. D for door. D-O-O-R, door. This is door. D-O-G, dog. This is dog. So D for dog. D for door. This is D alphabet. E. Small letter E, big letter E. E for egg. E-G-G, egg. This is egg. E-G-G, egg. This is egg. E for elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. This is elephant. E for egg. E-G-G, egg. And this is elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. This is elephant. E for egg. E for elephant. This is egg and this is elephant. E. F. Big letter F, small letter F. And F for fox. F-O-X, fox. This is fox. F for fox. F-O-X, fox. This is fox. F for flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. F for flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. This is flower. F for fox. F for flower. This is F. G. This is big letter G. This is small letter G. And G for goat. G-O-A-T, goat. This is goat. G for goat. G-O-A-T, goat. This is goat. G for grass. G-R-A-S-S, grass. This is grass. G for grass. G-R-A-S-S, grass. This is grass. G for goat. G-O-A-T, goat. This is goat. This is G letter. H. Capital letter H, small letter H. And H for hat. H-A-T, hat. This is hat. H for hat. H-A-T, hat. This is hat. H for hippopotamus. H-I-P-P-O-P-O-T-A-M-U-S, hippopotamus. H for hippopotamus. H-I-P-P-O-P-O-T-A-M-U-S, hippopotamus. H for hat. H for hippopotamus. This is hat. This is hippopotamus. So this is H letter. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So A for ant, A for apple. This is ant, this is apple. A for ant, A-N-T, ant. A for apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. This is ant, this is apple. B for bear, B-E-A-R, bear. B for book, B-O-O-K, book. This is book, this is bear. C for cat, C-A-T, cat. This is cat. C for carpet, C-R-P-E-T, carpet. This is carpet. D for dog, D-O-G, dog. This is dog. D for door, D-O-O-R, door. This is door. E for egg, E-G-G, egg. This is egg. E for elephant. ELEPHANT, elephant. This is elephant. F for fox. FOX, fox. This is fox. F for flower. FLOWER, flower. This is flower. G for goat. GOAT, goat. This is goat. G for grass. GRASS, grass. This is grass. H for hat. HAT, hat. This is hat. H for hippopotamus. HIPPOPOTAMUS, hippopotamus. This is hippopotamus. So A for ant, A for apple. B for bear, B for book. C for cat, C for carpet. D for dog, D for door. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fox, F for flower. G for goat, G for grass. H for hat, H for hippopotamus. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Here are some alphabets and words. Thank you so much for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.